Hi guys, this is Missimi. Today I'm going to talk about another topic that is going to piss more people off. If you're watching this from India, then you probably have heard of caste or have a basic idea of what caste is. I will assume that you do and I'll go forward with this. We're going to talk about caste in urban India. Whether your friend who has an iPhone and is lower caste deserves reservation, we're going to discuss the creamy layer, we're going to discuss a lot of controversial shit. Initially, this video was about to be something where I was talking about Bollywood and caste and how Bollywood never talks about caste and is usually like just revolving around it and talking about class instead of caste, but never properly addressing caste. And even if they do address caste, like in the movie Article 15, then they bring in an upper caste savior hero who's gonna like save the poor lower caste people, the savior trope basically.
हिंदू ने एक स्टोरी पब्लिश की थी 2013 और 14 में बॉलीवुड फिल्मों में जो पर्याप्त अनुपात है यानी कि सब्सटैंशियल प्रोपोर्शन में जो मेन कैरेक्टर थे वो अपर कास्ट से थे, ऊंची जाति से ही थे। सिर्फ 2014 में आने वाली 2 मूवीज़ थी जिनमें जो लीड कैरेक्टर्स थे वो एक्सप्लिसिट बैकवर्ड कास्ट से थे। कोई ये सोच ही सकता है कि कम से कम मूवीज़ में या फिर स्मॉल टाउन की जब मूवीज़ की कहानी दिखा रहा है बॉलीवुड, उस समय वो ज़्यादा ओबीसी और दलित कैरेक्टर्स को दिखा सकता है, लेकिन ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है। हिंदू की रिपोर्ट ये भी कहती है, द हिंदू की रिपोर्ट, की टोटल जो 750 एक्टर्स हैं उनमें से जो मेजॉरिटी अगर आप देखिए जिन्होंने 5 से ज़्यादा फिल्मों में एक्ट किया है पिछले 10 सालों में, वो अपर कास्ट हिंदू ही हैं।
Unless it's movies like Masan that are like
साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे।
My name is Missimi Kashyap, but I'm not Kashyap. My parents are not Kashyap. I never actually questioned why am I Kashyap when my parents have different surnames. I didn't really think much of it. Very later in my life I realized what this actually means because my parents shielded me from this topic a lot. Whenever it was brought up, it was just pushed aside. So yeah, me and my sister are Kashyap even though my parents have different surnames. And a lot of people asked me this question when I was younger, but I was like, they probably thought it's cool. And I thought if they're giving me a cool surname, why couldn't they give me just something even cooler? It made me really confused. Then I realized that it's because our parents were trying to protect us from caste discrimination. But does caste discrimination even exist anymore? Am I ever gonna face it? Let's be real, like I am a person who lives in a city, has an iPhone, went to an English speaking school, has educated parents who have provided me with a lot, and basically is doing more well off than most of the other caste people I know, like other caste people.
ऐसे ऐसे दिखाऊंगा आपको SC/ST वाले, those who have car, वो कार से आते हैं जाते हैं।
SC लोग जो बोलते हैं अपना को गरीब, वो एक्चुअल में अगर उनको देखा जाए ना, वो फाइनेंशियल हालत उनकी बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग होती है।
नहीं, फाइनेंशियल हालत अगर स्ट्रॉन्ग भी हो गई किसी की तो क्या डिस्क्रिमिनेशन उसके साथ होता है या नहीं?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है।
क्यों नहीं होता? क्यों नहीं होता? राष्ट्रपति के साथ हुआ है। रामनाथ कोविंद जी गए, सीढ़ियों पे बैठा के पूजा करवाई उनके साथ। अभी कुछ दिनों पहले की बात है जब जीतन राम मांझी मुख्यमंत्री थे, वो एक मंदिर में गए, उस मंदिर को भी उन्होंने धोया, वो भी दलित हैं। ये कोई गरीबी उत्थान का कार्यक्रम नहीं है। जिन लोगों का सरकार और सरकार के रुतबेदार पोजीशन पे रिप्रेजेंटेशन इनएडिक्वेट है, उन लोगों को एडिक्वेट रिप्रेजेंटेशन देने के लिए आरक्षण आया है।
When I was growing up, I did see in school that a lot of people had like made friends with each other based on their surname, where they would be like, you're Brahmin, I'm also Brahmin, and they're gonna bond. I didn't think much of it. I just thought, okay, maybe they have matching surnames. I don't know how they can detect it by just looking at each other's surname, but I was really uneducated on caste back then. Later, I realized a lot of things that were not as sweet and innocent. The only time when caste was like dhak in my life was during entrance exams. My entrance exams and my sister's entrance exams, because that was the only time I did not feel so connected with my friends. My friends that were super close to me, that I felt like we are relating on everything, and who were constantly complimenting me for my art, for all my skills. But suddenly they were like, why do you even need to study? You can get in anywhere. Not out of like, oh, you're so talented, you can get in anywhere. You don't even join our groups of discussion about how stressed we are for college because you're SC, you can easily get in anywhere. And like these comments were super common and I didn't even know how to argue back because I didn't see any point in arguing with them.
वो काम से बचना चाहते हैं।
तो जो लोग रिजर्वेशन मांग रहे हैं वो काम नहीं करना चाहते एक्चुअली।
यस, बिल्कुल भी नहीं। 3 से 5% तुम्हारी आबादी है, अगर मैं शिक्षा तुम ही प्राप्त करोगे तो इस देश की साक्षरता केवल 5% हुई ना, हमारा देश कहाँ जाएगा?
All the experiences around me were from general people who were talking and crying about their lives. How recently also a lot of memes and a lot of internet culture, the Jai Bhim. A lot of comment section कि ये seat ले जाएगा, वो ले जाएगा, and all of these things. Phone धोना पड़ेगा, like after watching this reel, was very common. And like this is just so common that you can't even speak against it because they'll be like, "तू क्या caste भाई?" And I've heard this thing so many times from people that like, how can casteism exist and why is this person getting a reservation when they have an iPhone, they have a car, they have a house, they're richer than me. Why do they have reservation? I had a friend in school who basically was really into religion randomly, okay? Really into religion, say I don't mean spirituality or God. They were really into caste hierarchies, where basically whose surname is what, who is higher than who. And in this world in 2024, a lot of people like me would assume that other people don't care about caste, at least in our generation. My best friend and she both were Brahmins, and she was talking about how she is a higher caste Brahmin than him. Like he's also Brahmin, but they're both higher caste, but she's like even higher for some reason. She is a higher caste Brahmin than him, and she doesn't count Kashyaps who are Brahmins as Brahmins because random people can take that surname. People like me can be Kashyap as well, who are lower caste. My best friend, who was also Brahmin and against caste, was anti-caste until he had a Janayu ceremony. Because of parental pressure, he decided that he'll finally wear the thread, which is basically symbol of being upper caste and being a Brahmin, which he was avoiding for quite some time because he felt like it's very casteist to wear it. But then he decided to finally wear it because he realized that he can't avoid his parents anymore on this topic. And also after he got a lot of money, because people donate money and gifts to the Brahmin, right, after they wear the thread. He got like 50,000. And after that he was like, maybe this shit isn't that bad, because caste, as long as it doesn't affect you and it benefits you, it is not a problem.
इंडिया के नेशनल क्राइम रिकॉर्ड्स ब्यूरो के मुताबिक 2020 में हर 10वें मिनट किसी शेड्यूल कास्ट पर्सन के साथ अपराध हुआ है। 4 में से 1 इंडियन अभी भी अनटचेबिलिटी को मानते हैं, उसके इल्लीगल होने के बावजूद। और ये डिस्क्रिमिनेशन सिर्फ रूरल इंडिया में ही नहीं चलती, कास्टिज्म एजुकेशन, एम्प्लॉयमेंट और तो और पब्लिक स्पेसेस में भी दिखाई देता है। तो जब कास्ट डिस्क्रिमिनेशन इतना कॉमन है, इतने सारे इंडियंस कैसे मान सकते हैं कि कास्ट एक पुराने जमाने की बात है? 5% से भी कम इंग्लिश न्यूज़पेपर आर्टिकल्स को लिखने वाले दलित्स और आदिवासी कम्युनिटी से होते हैं। इंडिया के टॉप न्यूज रूम्स के 121 लीडरशिप पोजीशंस में हर एक पोजीशन किसी डोमिनेंट कास्ट के पास है। हमारे 750 हिंदी फिल्म एक्टर्स में से मेजॉरिटी अपर कास्ट हिंदूज हैं। 93% इंडियन कॉर्पोरेट बोर्ड मेंबर्स भी अपर कास्ट से हैं। और तो और 41% इंडिया की टोटल वेल्थ भी अपर कास्ट हिंदूज के ही पास है। और फिर भी इंडिया के कितने परसेंट लोग एक्चुअली अपर कास्ट हैं? 30% से भी कम।
अगर आप देखोगे कि अगर एक झाड़ू वाला अगर आपको आके पानी देगा, आप पियोगे? मेरा क्या है, अगर मुझे कोई देगा, आई वोंट टेक दैट।
Like my maid that used to work back at home, she was Bengali and she had married a guy who was Bihari, and they had an intercaste marriage where they ran away and got married. And no one except our house was willing to take her for work, even though she's born upper caste but married a lower caste guy. That's why they were like, don't you know this, she's this caste, so we can't get her to like work at our house or cook at our house. And this is such a common problem. I didn't expect that because most of our neighbors and a lot of these people were really educated. I fit into the creamy layer trope perfectly, like I sit right in. I had no idea that caste was impacting my entire life. The same friend from school who was talking about surnames and caste, she did a survey where she only interviewed the general and upper caste people, asking if reservation should be allowed, and obviously all of them were against it. Once, twice, thrice, 3 strikes, you're out. How quickly, even after you get your seat via merit or not, people are quick to dismiss any credit or any merit because they're like, you're lower caste, so like you probably got in through reservation. Is when caste comes in relationships, when caste comes in marriages. During reservation, caste doesn't exist, but during marriage, what is your caste? It matters so much.
मैट्रिमोनियल कॉलम्स होंगे और उस मैट्रिमोनियल कॉलम्स की अरेंजमेंट देखिए आप, वो बाय कास्ट होती है। अग्रवाल, बीसा, व्यास, पटेल, ये वो। और उसमें रिलीजन में भी आप देखेंगे, मुस्लिम होगा तो उसमें शेख, पठान अलग होगा, क्रिश्चियन होगा तो उसमें जैसे गोवा में RCBC, रोमन कैथलिक, ब्राह्मण कास्ट, और उसी फ्लो में इंजीनियर, डॉक्टर, मतलब ये 2 अलग अलग चीज़ें हैं यार।
I've seen so many of my friends who have had long-term relationships. They think they would get married, sort of. They had to break up because they know that their families are not gonna agree on an intercaste marriage.
अब सारा हम जो अरेंज मैरिज का जितना हम लोग ढिंडोरा पीटते हैं हमारे देश में कि हम तो बड़े ट्रेडिशनल लोग हैं, हम तो अरेंज मैरिज में मानते हैं, ये बेसिकली एक कास्टिस्ट स्ट्रक्चर है जहाँ पे इंट्रा कास्ट मैरिज ही होता है। आखिर में हम कूदते किस पर हैं कि मेरा खून तुम्हारे खून से ज़्यादा अच्छा है, मिला दो, मिलावट कर दो पूरा।
And my parents have an intercaste marriage, which is not a love marriage. That is so open-minded for that time. All of this is thanks to my grandfather for being open-minded. I love you. Rest in peace. You might think all of this was over when I was in school. I came here and I hear from a friend who was talking to another mutual about how like we're so similar culturally and she finds me so relatable. And the other person replied, how is she relatable? She's lower caste. She and I were both shocked when we heard this. But you'll hear it from people you least expect to. Caste has not disappeared. Caste is so well masked in India कि it's right in front of your eyes but you can't even see it. If you want to experience it around you, ask your maid what caste they are. Ask a manual scavenger what caste they are. Ask a barber what caste they are. And you'll see so many things adding up around you.